On to some entertainment news now. Bollywood actor Salman Khan turns 50 today. A grand midnight birthday party was organized at Salman's Panvel house, where all his family members, relatives, Bollywood friends gathered to celebrate the occasion. The actor has had a blockbuster year in terms of films. Two of his big releases, Bajrangi Bhaijaan and Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, have both turned out to be runway successes. Both the films put together have earned more than 500 crore rupees at the domestic box office. And that's not all. The actor was also acquitted in the 2002 hit-and-run case this year by the Bombay High Court. Salman also turned producer with Bajrangi Bhaijaan and launched two new faces in the industry with his home production hero. Now, Khan, who made his debut as a mainstream hero in 1989 with Suraj Barjatia's Maine Pyar Kiya, has delivered innumerable box office hits in the last 27 years as one of the most bankable stars.
27 साल लास्ट कर गए। देखें कि आगे के 27 कैसे जाते हैं।
साफ हो गई है लोगों के सामने, जो आपने नहीं किया था वो भी साफ हो गई है। प्लस आपका बर्थडे आ रहा है, उसी का मौका दुगना हो जा रहा है।
हाँ, जी। अब खुशी की बात है, बहुत ही खुशी की बात है कि एक माता पिता के सर से एक वो टेंशन हट गया।
And Shilpa Ratnam, correspondent, is now joining us with more details from outside Salman Khan's residence in Mumbai. Shilpa, people, especially fans rather, already gathered outside his residence, and is Salman likely to come and say hello to them probably today?
Well, actually, they're completely aware that he is at his Panvel farmhouse celebrating his birthday there, but they've all still gathered here nonetheless. Sunday is a day when you spend with your family and your loved ones, and who bigger than the Bajrangi Bhaijaan himself, and especially when it's his birthday, when he's turning 50, all his fans have just gathered here to celebrate it amongst themselves and to perhaps wish him through the television. Yes, that is the chorus that is coming out here. I have in fact with me a fan here who's been here from last night, in fact, 10 p.m. last night. Isn't that right?
Yeah, I came from Pune and I am here from 10 p.m. I'm a biggest Salman Khan fan, and this is because he is a great human being and he's a great philanthropist. The point is, he helps a poor people, and I love him a lot. His birthday is like festival in our country, and I don't want to miss. He is like our family. He is like our big brother. So thank you, love you, Bhaijan. And on this occasion, I want to chant a song. मैं तो सुपरमैन सलमान का फैन. Thank you.
Right, as you can say, celebrations are underway here, and you can see he's quite overwhelmed by emotion as well.
Yes,
he said it's like a festival in a country where Bollywood, where films are religion, Salman Khan is God, and no wonder it is like a festival for everybody who has gathered here. And speaking of the party that he had at Panvel last night, it was a star-studded affair. It's been one of the biggest parties that we've seen in recent times. Okay. You had everybody, his his leading ladies, from Sonam Kapoor to Jacqueline Fernandez to Sonakshi Sinha to Kangana Ranaut, to the entire Sonakshi Sinha family, to the the Pancholi family, to of course Salman Khan's own family. You had people like Sania Mirza. You had other people he's mentored like Eli Avram, Zareen Khan, Daisy Shah. You had filmmaker Suraj Barjatia, Sajid Nadiadwala. You had music composers Sajid Wadig. You had Farah Khan, and this is just like the tip of the guest list that turned up for his party last night. And let's remember, it's also cause for double celebration because of the massive relief he received from the High Court earlier this month, and it may not have been appropriate to party at that time, but like he said, it's a big load that he feels has been lifted off the head of his parents. So that is a cause for celebration for him, and also keeping in mind the image that he spoke about of him being a philanthropist. He's also launched a social online networking site for his fans called KhanMarket.com. And to kick it off, he kicked it off on his birthday, and he's offered an inaugural discount of 50% on his brand, Being Human.
Okay,
So that is, you know, some great news coming in for his fans. As
Absolutely a superstar there. Many people also gathered there, as people are pointing out, because he's a philanthropist is what they say. You know, Shilpa, the fact that you're mentioning there was a beeline to wish him yesterday at his Panvel farmhouse, but can your cameraman just show us the scenes outside his house today in Mumbai? Is it the same that we see sometimes outside Amitabh Bachchan's residence, especially on big occasions?
Well, yes, completely. As you can see, you know, sporadically there are cheers that emerge from here. Lots of crowds, you know, pockets of crowds have gathered around, and everybody here is fully aware that he is at his Panvel farmhouse. But nonetheless, they have gathered here to celebrate it amongst themselves. The fans they're here to greet other fans, meet other like-minded people, you know, people who share a common love for the actor, and they've all gathered here to spend it amongst themselves. And perhaps, you know, for that off chance, because one of them was telling me that you know, a couple of years ago he was in Panvel, but he turned up here for a press conference at 11. I've assured him there's you know, no such chance of that happening today. But here they are, you know, lingering on to that hope. So
All
yes,
right.
and you know, there are some posters that have been put outside as well. So you know, it is completely you know, an aura of celebration here.
Absolutely.
The whole air is ringing with cries of Salman Khan.
Right,
And before I sign off, let me just
all right,
ask
Shilpa, we
the
get the
fans
idea
here
of
with me,
festive mood
what
there
will you-
outside Salman Khan's residence in Mumbai, even though he's not present there at the moment. Shilpa Ratnam getting us all the latest from Mumbai.